Hey, it's Kerry with TruAudio, and let's take a look at how to install the Tremor. We'll look at everything from installing it with the base extension or without, installing it into the wall with a rough-in ring or not, and the dual dog ear technology. So let's talk about the base extension for the Tremor. We recommend that you always use the base extension when possible. You'll get the best performance. Actually, you get about an additional 3 dB output by having the extension because you have more airspace in the subwoofer. But we also know that there are occasions where going into a retrofit, you don't know exactly what is behind the wall, or you have an obstruction that won't allow you to use it. So let's take a look at how to install the base extension onto the Tremor subwoofer. All right, let me show you how easy it is to install the base extension. First thing you're going to do is remove these 4 screws from the top plate. Once you've removed the 4 screws, now you can take off the top cap. So the next step is important. You need to remove this membrane that seals the cabinet when you're not using the base extension. If you do not remove this and put the base extension on, you're not utilizing the airspace in the base extension. So please remember that you've got to remove this membrane. Now that you have the membrane removed, now we're going to attach the base extension to the TruAudio. You're going to slide it into the slot where the top cap was. Use the same 4 screws that held the top cap in place to secure the base extension. So if you didn't use the rough-in ring at the pre-construction stage and need to cut the hole for the TruAudio, it comes with a template that you place on the wall, level it out, mark it with your pencil. Then you're going to proceed to cut it out with a sheetrock saw. All right, now you're ready to install the TruAudio into the wall. After you've cut it out or had the pre-construction ring installed, you're going to hook up your wires. Now let's put it inside the wall. The extension was designed so it can fit right through the hole of the cutout. Now that it's inside the cavity, we're going to tighten the dog ears. Once you've secured all 4 of the dog ears on the TruAudio, now it's time to attach the grill. One thing you want to be aware of is these rubber bumpers need to be in each corner. This will prevent any rattling of the grill on the subwoofer. Now we want to show how easy it is to upgrade a TruAudio to a Tremor using our adapter plate. First thing you're going to do is remove the TruAudio. Now let's install the adapter plate. You're going to use the same screws that attach the TruAudio and the same holes. So attach the adapter plate to the wall. Now we have the cutout for the Tremor, and we can install it into the hole with or without the base extension. Once the Tremor is installed into the adapter plate, you're going to use the TruAudio grill to cover it up. So I wanted to show you how to assemble the rough-in ring. This is the RW Tremor. It's a 2-piece rough-in ring, real simple. This one's going to be on top onto those tabs. This one is going to be underneath. You just want to interlock those 4 tabs and then slide it open. And you'll see that these slip into the slots. Pull it out as far as it'll go. Now you're ready to install the rough-in ring. So you see, we have incorporated some innovative features to make this subwoofer easy to install. For more information, check out TruAudio.com.